Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Usdchf here. Now this one has been quite a difficult one for me to look at over the last few weeks or so. We actually called this pair to continue to rise, and we didn't really get that obviously through the week. So with all of any type of analysis, when it goes wrong, we have to obviously reassess everything and take a look at the bigger picture. So looking at this pair, we are in a bearish momentum now, and I'm convinced we can push even lower. So this is the beauty about trading. You can always look at the other aspect of of a bullish scenario or a bearish scenario once the invalidation levels are cleared out. So what I'm looking at for this pair is this isn't going to be something that you can get in right now. Because we've actually missed the better opportunity, which is obviously up here at 0.92. Looking back, this was a nice head and shoulders trading pattern that you could have easily manipulated and take a part of, but of course this is obviously hindsight speaking. So moving forward from this, I'm going to draw out a plan of what I think could happen in the in the future, sort of thing. So right now we're in a very strong bearish move to the downside. Now matching this with the RSI, we're in an oversold condition, so we could possibly expect some minor correction to the upside. Okay, so on a lower time frame perspective, you could in theory take contribute more cells towards this, but understand that this is not exactly going to be a high risk reward sort of scenario. So what it could end up looking like is something like this: a push to the downside to make it one final move, and then what we could be looking out for, these are not to scale arrows, by the way. I'm not saying it's going to necessarily reverse at 0.89, but this is going to be the long-term perspective and picture. So it could look something like this: a move to the downside, and then we can get a retracement, so a bit more of a correction, and this one will be a bit steeper. And then I'll be looking for the move to the downside, and that will be the final stronger move. So in terms of where the trading opportunities are, and as I was mentioning, this isn't something that you would want to enter straight away. It would be actually on this move here. So you can counter trend this move and take on the all of the correction wave, and then you could look at taking the next move to the downside, which I think could happen, and then this would be the most favorable trading opportunity to take on. So what I will do for the future is keep an eye on this pair for now, and wait for when I think you should be looking to enter on the upside, and also on the next move, which would be to the downside. So I'm keeping this fresh perspective here for this pair. So like I said, it's not going to happen anytime soon. It may not happen this week or the next 2-3 weeks or so, but I will be keeping an eye on this, and I will post some updates in the Telegram group chat just to keep a fresh look on everything for you guys. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say so far for this pair. If we do have any updates, we will like I said, mention this in the group chat. But yeah, if you are new to this channel or you're a new trader, feel free to join that trading group. That link is in the description. Also, if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help you. All you have to do is just contact us through our Telegram or our Instagram, and we'll get back in touch with you guys. So if you are enjoying our videos and I find them helpful, make sure you leave your comments. If you have any thoughts as well, that's great. And of course, if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed. So thank you guys for listening, and see you all in the next one.